let's start by estimating every single one of these values. So here, right, we estimate this to 1. Okay, so that means the estimated value is 237. Here, I can estimate this down to 2. So then we have 2 divided by 7, right? So 2, if I divide this by 7, it's going to be 0 already because I need to bring a 2 here, right? Then I can fit in, right, 2 7s, which is 14. Then it'll be 6, right? Bring another 0 down. And now, right, I can add, this will be 8, right? So it'll be 56 and so on. Okay, so it'll be 0.28 something. Over here, I can round this up to 24, right? So 24 divided by 7, I can add 3 7s to this, which will be 21, right? Then we have a 3. Bringing a 0 down, we have a decimal here now. Okay, and this can be 4. That'll be 28. It'll be 20, and we can add 2, and we'll just leave it as it is for now. So here, right, we can't just straight up divide it because that's not an estimation anymore. So what we can do is just round this here to 2400. Okay, so then if I have 2400 and I divide that by 70, right, I can still add 3 here for 2100. It'll be 300. And then I can add, let's see, 4. That'll be 2800. Okay, then we get this. There'll be a decimal here. We need to bring a, we need to bring a 0 down for this 200 here. Right, then I can put a 2 and we'll leave it at that. Okay, so given that the first 5 digit of 237 divided by 7 is going to be 33857, right? We don't know where the decimal place is, but this is the first 5 digits, right? For the first one, we get 237, meaning, right, because the estimation is 237, if the decimal place was here, right, that would be the correct quotient for this one. Okay, so then for A, 33857, the correct decimal place needs to be here. Okay, for B, the estimate, right, of this is going to be 0.28, right? So out of all these numbers, the correct quotient will be when the point is right in front of the first digit here. Okay. Now for C, we get that the estimation gives us 3.42. Okay, so here, with these numbers, if the decimal place is right here, that'll be our correct quotient. Right, here's 3.42, 3.3857. They're very close. As for D, our result was 34.2. Right, that was our estimate. So then if we have 33857, it seems like the decimal place needs to be over here, which is this spot here. Okay, so that's how we know, right, where the decimal place is going to be.